Welcome to another video about programming in C++. In this video, I will return the explanation about variables and their types. Now it is time to talk about floating point numbers and characters. We are going to start with char type. C++ uses the ASCII character set for work with characters and symbols. In this way, the char types are integer numbers that represents a character. For example, C++ can interpret 65 like the code for character A, or 77 for character M. Pretty simple. I will show you a code using char type. So first we need to include the IOStream library. Then write using names space std, and our char or character are going to name ch. Then cout, enter a character. Sin ch, and the variable for the integer number will be n underline ch. Cout the ASCII code for this is nh. This is the integer number, nn. Cout add 1 to the character code. Now I'm going to show you how it works. Now the variable for the character ch will be updated by 1. And I assign again the character for in underline ch, and cout the ASCII code for is inline system. Now I'm going to compile the program. Okay, enter a character. It can be A. And as you can see, the code for the letter A is 65. Also we can use the char type like an integer type for make sums. If we pass to the next number adding 1 to the letter A, we pass to the letter B. And you can check this using the ASCII table code. And where is the letter A? Is here. Yes, 65 is for the letter A and 66 is for the letter B. Well, now we are going to talk about symbols. There are some special characters that we can use directly in C++ code. For example, it is not possible to write a new line directly because C++ it interprets like a mistake. For example, if if we want to write new lines, it can be for example this. Imagine that you want to write new lines, but C++ interprets it like a mistake. If I want to compile the program, yes, there will be errors, but you can fix it using a special character that is /n. And now, yes, you can see that C++ show 3 new lines. I will make a little example of how we can use it. Example, cout yes, there is Minecraft with the letters in vertical position. Other example, if you want to write double quotes, you should use slash and quote like this. For example, if you want to write hi, she said why they are cooking. For it is a little example. C++ interprets it like a mistake because C++ can know that you want to write little sentences between quotes. We can fix it using a special symbol. For quotes is this symbol. And now we can compile the program. Yes, it is okay. Well, there are other symbols. I will put them in the description of the video. Okay, now it is time for floating numbers. There are numbers let you represent numbers with fractional parts. You can represent numbers such as 9.81, 7.01, or other numbers. C++ has two ways of writing floating numbers. The first is to use the standard decimal point notation that you've been using much of your life. It's like the example that I wrote. Or maybe this, or maybe this. They are floating point numbers. In other way, we can use exponents. The syntax is this. First, write a number. Then the letter E, and then positive or negative sign, and then the number. like this, or other example is but what it means. This number means it. And this means it. Yes, pretty simple. Well, the basic floating point types are float, and double, and long double. These types are described in terms of the number of significant figures that they can represent and the minimum allowable range of exponents. The float numbers require 4 bytes. The double requires 8 bytes, and long double requires 8 bytes too. I will show you a little program using the library cfloat for write the limits, like in the previous video. So the program runs like this. I will include the cfloat library. Cfloat. Again, the using names std. For an easy way to write, use the cout and scene objects, and then in main, and a float and whatever number. F number equal to double equal to and long double LD. Okay. And now I will show you the float numbers and max float, or the max value that the variable can be, and then the size that it will be 4 bytes, 8 bytes. So float number, size. I will copy this, and then I will just change the lyrics. Long double number, max double, and max long double, and this is the size of the number, that is for the long double. System pause. Okay. We didn't need to use the cfloat library. And as you can see, the advantage of floating numbers is that you can use fractional numbers and make more precisely calculates. and the rank for the double number is bigger than the float and the rank for the float numbers. And well, now you know the basic about characters and floating point numbers. So, if you want to ask for something, please tell me in the comment box. I will see you in the next video. Bye.